CGXi Intelligent Manufacturing WXi Co. Ltd. is a technology-based enterprise that focuses on flexible robot technology and is committed to providing complete solutions for digital intelligent equipment. The company is headquartered on the beautiful banks of Changjiang River in WXi, with research and operation centers located in Beijing and Shenzhen. We adhere to the belief of nourish the world, virtue doesn't leave, and are willing to infiltrate all directions like a stream. To achieve great things, there must be fate. We hold the beautiful vision of gathering by CGXi, building big future. Work together with partners in various industries. Continue to infiltrate the industrial ecosystem and tirelessly empower the intelligent manufacturing industry. The company has a deep foundation in the industrial control automation industry and a first-class technology research and development team. We have independently developed a high-power density motor, encoder, servo driver, controller, robot software and hardware simulation development platform, SHIMS, and built a complete system testing platform. We have mastered key core technologies of flexible intelligent control and have won multiple intellectual property and technical patents. Facing the fourth industrial revolution with robot intelligence as the core, CGXi focuses on flexible intelligent control technology and deeply cultivates the intelligent manufacturing track. Currently, it has formed 3 product matrices: automotive intelligent components, collaborative robots, and digital intelligent platforms. It is a technology enterprise with the ability of industrial control plus process intelligent manufacturing closed loop. Committed to using intelligent motion control technology as the starting point to promote the rapid development of the intelligent manufacturing industry. Efficient collaborative production, data-driven intelligent manufacturing. CGXi integrates the precise repeatability of collaborative robots with unique human labor skills and has created an international cutting-edge intelligent manufacturing production model for automotive-grade robots. Intelligent manufacturing robots. Currently, it has provided internationally leading robot system overall solutions to multiple well-known enterprise customers. CGXi adheres to the corporate value of nourishing the world, virtue doesn't leave, and actively practices the great mission of smart China and the world. Based on advanced productive forces, we are committed to rewriting a new industrial civilization that belongs to the Chinese people. Boost the manufacturing industry towards a new era of intelligent manufacturing.